Hello everyone, welcome to all and good evening to all. Bharat Ratsaya, good evening, and Josna, good evening, Anita, good evening, Saran, good evening, Mugundan, good evening, and Kora Ravikumar, good evening to all. So welcome to the session. Voice is very low. Okay, so now it's okay. So now I adjusting my volume. So now it's okay, sir. Voice is not clear. Okay, wait a second. I try to increase my volume. Now it's okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, thank you. So still I increase my volume. Why? So it is highest volume, sir. I can't increase again. Okay. Network issue. I got a good network. I have good network, then why it will change? Okay, shall we enter the topic? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Super. So previous session we are all see about decision making process. Same like us, condition formatting. How can we implement the data? Like how can creating the condition format, like creating data bars inside the table, pivot table, like matrix table, as well as how can we implement the data bars and gradient value. So these kind of things we will see in yesterday's session. So today we are going to see about convert the data to our convenient. So not like that different much. It is only we can discuss about bins and list concept. That is the our convenient format. So this is a bins and a list. Today's concept is a bins and a list in Power BI. So what is bin and what is list? How can we create this kind of two things? That is the thing we can see in today's session. First of all, grouping. So what is grouping? Grouping is allows you to combine the data points based on a common characteristic. For example, if you have sales data, right? So you have sales data, that particular sales data is different product and categories and count or varieties of that also there. So how can we creating the grouping in this particular sales data? So it is a procedure. How can we create that procedure is there? Open Power BI, load the data set and go into the visualization part and using the revenue and values to creating the table or column chart and give a product type as region wise. We can give the values. The product types is a x-axis and a region is an y-axis wise. Okay. And so what is binning? So grouping is already known. So we can group it that particular concept. For example, not clear. Okay. Again, this comes like a robotic voice. Why? Okay, wait a second, guys. I will adjust that. Now it's okay. So already I try to adjust the all kind of ways. I will adjust the volume. So now the voice is okay now. Yeah, okay, yes. Thank you, Gopi Krishnan. Yeah, okay, thank you so much. Okay. So now, first what is binning? So groupings already we know. So So we can take the one particular column. In that column we can split it the multiple values. For example, a gender column is there, so we can split it there. Male group one is there and the female groups there is there. So that is grouping already we know. So binning is the binning is a technique used to categorize the numerical data into discrete intervals or bins. So for example, if we have a age of list of ages, so for it is easy to understand, we can say ranges. So adult age ranges, so still 12 to 18 or 20 and about 25. So 18 to 25 is an adult. So still 0 to 5 or 10 0 to 5 is a baby, like babies like that range, and 5 to still 12 or a 15, it is the children, like children boy, like that. So above 15 to 25 is an adult. So 25 to still 35 40 is an what is that? So next stage of the human cycle, right? So what is that is range is called as a bin value, like binning, like that. So 0 to 18 is one of the range, and 9 to 35 is one kind of range, 36 to 50 is one kind of range. So this is the way the binning will be easily understand that. So to analyze the trends more effectively. So how can you create the bin value? So as usual, we can get the data sets, load it into our Power BI, and going to the data view. So every time we work with the report view. So the Power BI is having some views, so report view, table view, data view, like that. So we are going to the data view and select the age column and click the new group, and we can give a bin values. So I will show the example and practical wise how can we create this bin values, then you can understand easily. First I will theoretical way I will say to you what is binning, like what is bin values. Okay. Then how can we create the visualization using the bin the data? So again we are going to the report view and choose the particular plotting, like column plot or bar plot, anyone we can choose, and we can just select the particular bin value in our data set, and we can add it that. Finally we got the visualization part of this particular bin data. Okay. So fine. So now I am going to show you how can we create the bin values in practical way. So I am going to open the Power BI. Okay, I'm going to create the new report and choosing the data set, Excel workbook and Apocalypse food preparation data set. I will take it. Once I will select the all kind of data, sales, store, buyers information and customers information. So once I load this, the all data set is stored it into my data field. Okay, once it's done that, so all data set showing like this. So first we are seeing about binning. So you create the bin values. So before that we are going to the group option, select the group button. In that particular group we can creating the bin values. Okay. So first, what is the procedure of this particular slide is there. Open data set and going to now it's going to the data view and select the group or new group option. Okay. So now you see this in this place, the report view is there, table view is there, model view as well as the DAX query view is there. So the data view is nothing but a table view. Table view is called as a data view. I'm going to the table view. So in this place my all details, the data set is there. So Apocalypse sale data is there, Apocalypse store data is there, and customers buyer information is data set, customer personal information is there. So which one is I need, I will choose that based on the data wise. Okay, so first I'm going to the customer or apocalypse sale. Yeah, first I go into the apocalypse sales data. So I'm choosing the customer column. So in this particular customer column, I will create in the new group as well as bins and list values. So how can I do that? So I'm click give a right click on this particular column. Now you see this, the ascending descending is already we know, and copy this particular column or table and a new measure, new values, like new column, refresh the data, editing the values and rename the column and delete the column, hide in the report view and hide it, unhide it all. Finally, the new group option is there. So in this particular new group option is using to creating the new column, new group value column. Now you see this, the particular column name is the customer groups. So the field is a customer column field. The group type is a list. Why? Because of we show like a list means the text values is presented, that is called as a list. If the number numeric values is there, we can converting the numerics into a list as well as bins. Okay, so now it's text values only is there, then only we can decide that is the list. Our today's concept bins and list. So first we see how can we create the group in list format. Okay, so now I will create in the group like as a customer wise. So best customer like or worst customer like that. So a routine, a repeat customer or random customer like that. Like that way I will grouping the values. Okay, so now there is only 4 kind of values will be repeatedly comes the categorical way. So based on the particular 4 customer repeatedly comes to my particular the particular sale or supermarket like store wise. Okay, so now I decide that is the repeated customer or random customer. Okay. Okay, so now I decided into random or repeat customer. Okay, so the Alex analyst apocalypse prepper and also prep for anything prepping store. So these 2 kind of things is a routine customer, others 2 is in a random customer. It's my wish. Okay, just we know understanding the concept, right? So I select this, so select this one and also this one. So I get it a group. Okay, get it into 3 columns. Okay, ungroup. Okay. Okay, so now select this 1 and group it into, it is the routine customer. I give a name as a routine customer or repeated customers like this. Or regular customer, it is easy to understand. Regular customer means it comes a what is that? Regular customer. Okay, I give a OK means wherever the analyst are there, the particular places, the particular rename, the particular name is replaced. So the analyst is replaced as a regular customer, as well as the prep for anything preparing store, that also gets a regular customer. That both people also as a regular customer. Okay, so now again I am going to going to edit groups and converting the balanced values. So this 1 is the another balanced values. Again group it into, so this one is a random customer, random or random customer. So that particular two person is a regular customer, others is a random customer. Now you see this first one like the Uncle Joe is a random customer, the Alex analyst is a regular customer, Apocalypse Preppers Pre-Unit is a random customer, again before prepare for anything is a regular customer. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is the way we can create a list. First we see the list format into the grouping wise. So then we are going to the bins. So how can we create the bins? So we are deciding into the choose the another values column. So the date purchase I will choose. So give the date purchased column. I give a right click and going to the new group. So now in this place again same like that, the new column name is data purchased bins, the field is date purchased. Now the group type is enabled. So before that the list only is there before, because it is a text wise, so then only show is like a list only. So now we can converting as a bin and a list format. So the bin means the numbers are there. If I give a list means the text also is included, the text format also is included, aspects also included. So the Saturday, like particular day name and month name and a particular day count, the like date and year also mentioned, as the timing also mentioned, because it's a list type format. Now I will choose this okay, choose into January. Okay, sorry. Okay, wait a second guys. Still choosing the entire January month. Still 28. So I give it to the group. So the one full January month I give it as a group wise. So now I give a name as like January. Okay, January. Okay, sorry. So I give a okay. So now you see this. So the particular thing is a January. Others is another column is there. So only the January month only decided. So other month is not decided. So automatically is assigning like as a rather name. So it's just a text format. So okay, so now I give it as proper bin values. So I choosing into okay. So once I choose this and ungroup this value and again select this. Okay, fine. So once I will remove this column and again I will do it to you, delete, again going to the data purchased and create the new group and select the bin. So bin is there. So the size of the bin means, so overall size and the number of bins means, so number count, so how many days the particular half day also included in this place. So now we can using into a number of size of the bins is enough for us, easily understand also. So the bin size is okay, one day wise, okay, sorry, month wise. So we're converting as a month wise, so 1. So every month wise the data are splitted. Okay, so now give a for 1 month, the values are months. Yes, now give a okay. So now you see this. So the January month, wherever the January date is there, the entire values are January. Others is going to the February, where the February is starting now with this place. So automatically then is starting from the February month and again the March month. Then the particular bins columns created as values wise. So the date wise is there. We cannot include the date. Only we can decide it like assigning the month values only. Okay. So otherwise next one is order ID. So order ID wise we can create. So we can try to creating another one. Okay, fine. So we are going to create the order ID wise. Okay, fine. I am creating the order ID and going to the new group. So same like that, that column. We're going to the list list format. So now I will deciding in this particular order ID created as a first order or second order, third order, like that wise. How can we create? So the thousands or 2000 like this, starting from the 1000 into 9000 like that. So based on splitting into three kind of orders. So 1000 into 3000 is one of the first order, 3000 to 6000 one of the second order, 6000 to still 9000 is in third order, like last order. Okay, so now how can I select? So I give this and 2000 and again selecting into the 3000. So it's the first order. Okay, I'm not selecting. Okay, okay, wait a second guys. Once I close this and again create that, again going to order ID, new group. Okay, I'm converting as a list, so already is having others. Okay, once I select this, why it is not enable? Okay, okay, wait a second guys. Okay, where is the cursor? Yeah, so converting as a list format. So again I choosing the particular thing. Okay, I selecting into the 3000. Yeah, so now I will create a 3000 value as a group wise. Now is fixed the name as the first order. So again selecting the next one 3000 to still 6000. So now I select this and selecting this. Okay, sorry. Again selecting into still 6000. So this is a second order grouping into. So this one is a second order. So again balance is 6000 to still 9000, that is for last order. So still 9096, so it is the last order. So last order. So if I give a OK to select this all, okay, 3000 is the first order. Okay, it only comes to the first order, last order, second order. Okay, why it's not comes? Okay, it has some issues. Wait a second. Okay, splitting into the two kind of things because it was not comes. Okay, So the other column is not needed. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, hold it, the order ID is not working, so I will check it once. So because it's not comes properly. Okay, so hold it that. So I move to the next one. So because the order ID is not comes properly, so we're going to the next one, that is customers information. So we easily understand. So the bins is a range. Already I told you, so the bins is a range of that. So bins is the range like 1 to 10, like 10 to 20, like that format, right? So now we have ages as 78, 66, 32, 41, 44, like this. So now the 78 means the 70 to 80 is in range. In between the 70 to 80 range, that particular people is that comes under the, but this kind of 70 to 80 people range age group people. So again select this age column and going to the new group and selecting the bins. So the bins format is the size is also okay, fine. So starting age is the 18, ending age is the 79. So now it's selecting the end, like bin size is a 10 tens. So starting from the 0 to still 9, like or 10, like that. So once I give a OK, automatically the column will be created. 70 to 70, 80 people, age group people is 78. Now in this particular customer's age is 78, the particular customer comes under 70 to 80 age group. And the second customer is 66, so this comes to 60 to 80 age group people. And 32 is in 30 to 40 age group people. 41 is 40 to 50 age group people, like that. This is the way the age bins is created. Okay, so now we are creating into the customer groups and data purchased group and product IDs group and unit sold, order ID we can try to create. It's having some issue, so we cannot create this. And internship users, you will get it this kind of order ID I will creating into the internship video, so we can see that particular one. So now we get customer information, we are getting the age bins. Okay, so we can try to get the age bins. So now we are going to creating the visualization in this particular age bins. So bin value is there. Now we have a bin value, so we can try to visualize in particular age bins. How can we visualize that? Okay, I'm going to take the column chart. So I will implement the age bins as well as total purchased. So age group wise, how many people purchase the thing. So now I will create, So now you see this, can visual properly. So now the 10 to 20 age group peoples, the total purchase is the 279. Only total purchasing is that. 20 to 30 age group people is 5,000 rate, the highest total product to be purchased, and 30 age group people is an 2,000 products is purchased totally. 40 age group people is 3,000, and 50 age people is 2,500. 60 age people is 3,200, and 70 age people is 4,300 something. So age group wise, how much products totally purchased, that count will be showing in this place, in this particular visualization. Okay. So now next we are trying to creating another one. So already we have a customer group bins also is there, right? So what is the product ID wise, we can try to create the customer purchased. Okay. Okay, I will remove this. So customer group wise, creating the product ID. Okay. So now you see this, the product ID wise customer group. Okay, it's not visible, right? So we can create split tick into the two group. One is a random customer, another is a regular customer. So the 1001, sorry, 10,001 to still 10,010 product ID is there. So product ID is not needed, is not much like suitable for customer group. So you can give it as unit sold. We can try to unit sold. So now you see this. So the table wise, the random customers total units sold is 1,779. The regular customers buy it into the 1,222. 1,222. So we can try to converting it to the like plotting wise, like what is that, bar chart wise. We can try to create. You see this. So x-axis having a customer group, y-axis having the total sum of units sold. So the random customers products so units sold is 1,779. Regular customers 1,222 like this. So otherwise others are same, already I told you. So how can you change in the color and the grid, background color and the text of this text size, color. So already we can create this, right? So bin, yeah, already select the bin. So the age is a bin values. So age bins comparing into the total purchased count. So then we have a date. How can we create the date? So how do we comparing to the data of list column? Okay, we can try to create in the state. We have a country values like location is there. So we can create in the map and pass it into the state. So North America details only is there. It's the Minnesota, and this one is a New York. What is that? United States having New York and Missouri, Texas. Only 4 kind of states repeatedly comes. This particular 4 kind of state is having the overall customers. It's not visible properly. Okay, so this is the way we can creating the particular things. Okay, wait a second. Okay, so like this way. Okay, now stream is there. Okay, this way. Okay, now stream is there. Okay, so now like this way we can creating the bins and the list. So already show you. So we can creating the 3 kind of things. Yeah. So customer group and data purchased bins. 2 values already we can create it. The customer group is a list format. The data purchase is the bins format. So already we can try to create in order ID. So it's having some issues. We can try to resolve rectify into the next session. And next we can creating the age of bins. Age bins. So age bins is having the like this one. So range the 70 like 70 to 80 range, age 60 to 80, 70 range like this format. The age range, the particular bins age bins will be decided like. Okay. So this is the way we can creating the bins and a list. This is converting our data into our convenient format. I hope you understand this one. So I show the visualization also. So age bin wise total purchased how much. So 10 to 20 age people is purchased into total purchasing count is that 200 and 22 age 32 people to 5,000 purchased. So based on the age group wise total purchasing count is there. This is the way we can creating the visualization as well as bins and list. I hope you all understand this one. So finally I will remaining one thing, so that is, so we are offering on the internship program. In this particular internship is having 8 kind of benefits, that is 30 days of exclusive recording session and all presentations and downloadable source codes we are provided to you, and exclusive 7+ project codes with the downloadables are available, and IETE confirmation letter we are provided to you. 90 days of LMS Course Access, assignment plus task, VIP community and special updates are available, and high valued IETE certified internship certificate we will giving to you. So this is the 8 benefits is having this particular internship. It's a limited time offer, so the registration fee is 2,999. Our discount fee is 799. So already we have shared it to the internship link in the chat box. Kindly check it that. If anyone interested, kindly using the link and join with our internship. You can get it in like this kind of benefits is that. So the last date of the internship is the 5th March. This is the last date. So don't miss this offer. So this is the payment page to give it to your personal details and done your payment. After that, our coordinator will take care of you. Okay, so that's it. So thank you. I hope you are understanding today's concept. If you have any queries, anything like session related or topic related, kindly contact this particular mobile WhatsApp number as well as mail ID. We will reply to you. Okay, thank you all, thank you so much. Kindly give it your attendance. So we have shared our attendance link. So day 13 we share it into your WhatsApp group. So you give it to day 13's attendance. So already we have shared it in yesterday's link in yesterday. So whoever missing that yesterday link, so we will share it in the group. You can give it to your yesterday attendance link. So kindly give it to today's attendance. So don't miss that. Okay, thank you all, thank you so much. We meet with the next session and see you. Yeah, thank you.